Good morning, Saints. Here are announcements for November 15th, 2018. My name is Matthew Goodrich.
I'm Andrew Goodrich.
And I'm James. Attention all baseball players, returning and prospective players. If you're trying out this spring, there's a mandatory meeting at lunch today in room 331. Please be prompt. Attendance will be taken.
Our play, you can't take it with you. Don't miss our premiere theater production at New Saints Theater. The hilarious comedy plays November 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th at 7 p.m. here on campus at the Raymond Center for the Performing Arts Theater. Tickets are available online at showticketsforyou.com and at the door.
The 2018 annual Turkey Trot is right around the corner. Online signups end this Sunday, so don't lose your chance to claim a limited edition performance long sleeve t-shirt and delicious pot pie plus Gatorade. Signups are on the Saints homepage. Get it done today to secure your spot. See you out there.
The 2018 Can Drive for Catholic Charities. Each homeroom can earn a free dress if they average 3 cans per person. Bring cans to your HR teacher. The drive ends Friday, November 16th.
Professional soccer jersey spirit wear is this Thursday, today. Wear your favorite team's jersey and show off your skills by joining the futsal tournament during lunch. Sign up for the tournament with Alex Dennis.
Attention all students. We have a week left to buy No Shave November tickets. Get yours by this Thursday to help your homeroom win a pizza party. The homeroom that has purchased the most No Shave November wristbands will win a pizza party. Purchase your tickets for $10 in Mr. Jesuac's room 316.
The Winter Art Show displaying work from OLP and Saints will be November 30th from 1 to 3 p.m. in the Carondelet Library at OLP. Come check out the masterpieces by your fellow Saintsmen and support the arts. Friday, November 30th from 1 to 3 at OLP. Art Show. Be there.
Attention members of Society of Saints Scholars. Our next seminar will be today, Thursday, November 15th, beginning at 7:45 a.m. with a continental-style breakfast, followed by our guest speaker. We will meet in the gym lobby. For more information, see Mr. Cadol in room 219.
Saints Intramural Sports Center News.
What?
Congratulations to Phenom Basketball and third-string kickers for winning the quarterfinal games yesterday and advancing to the semifinals. Ethan Lagasse, Chris Lloyd, and Felix Castro earned MVP honors for their efforts. The Final Four is set. We have 1 sophomore team, 1 junior team, and 2 senior teams. Who will win and be crowned Super Bowl champion? There will be no games next week due to the short week and Turkey Trot. Semifinals will be played on Tuesday, November 27th, and the Super Bowl on Thursday, November 29th. Thank you and good luck to all Saints Intramurals. Saints Intramurals are
fantastic.
And today's daily shout out goes to Michael Butcher.
That's it for your daily announcements, guys. Have a good day.
Come to the fall concert.
Bye.
Attention Statesmen! Pit theme, USA Mesa College, 11:16 at 7 p.m. Pit passes do not grant free entrance. $7 for student tickets and $11 for adult. Tickets are sold in the ASB room.
Every day, from here to there, funny things are everywhere. Oh, hello. I almost didn't see you there. Sometimes you can get too caught up in a good book, if you know what I mean. Anyway, welcome to Real Talk, the only PSA show that delivers the hard truth with a creative twist. I'm your host, Gabe, and today we're going to discuss vaping. This epidemic has affected our nation, lives, and school bathrooms across the country. In order to fight this injustice that is vaping, we must come together to face this grave danger. These candy-flavored clouds must be exterminated, and the fake USB drives you fools call Juuls must be destroyed. Today, sophomore Ryan Morrison and the H Crew have put together a music video explaining the dangerous effects of vaping and the benefits of quitting. So without further ado, I introduce to you all, Don't Vape.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
It's your boy Young Crispy on the mic. This is a song to all my haters who vape, because if you do it, you should really stop, because you're gonna die if you vape. Naughty Chicos. If you vape, you're not cool. Put down the vape and stay in school. You'll get in trouble if you're caught with a jewel. Put down the vape. Don't be a fool. I don't care if you have all the flavors. If you vape, I'll see you later. Vaping doesn't make you cool. Boy, you're not a refrigerator. Vaping is an activity for losers. Vaping is a lifespan reducer. Vaping is awful. Vaping is bad. If I see my friends vaping, I'll be really sad. Do you wanna hit for my vape? No thanks, I'd rather not die. The only clouds I want in my life are already up in the sky. If you vape, you're asking for death. Vapes are as bad as a cigarette. Vaping isn't cool at all. Vaping's gonna be your downfall. Get roasted. Don't vape.